Hi guys! Welcome back again to our channel, Balong and Yana. Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng cinnamon rolls. The first part of our cinnamon roll is to make the dough. So here is the following ingredients that we need. 3/4 cups of fresh milk, 1 piece egg plus 1 egg yolk, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and we have 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Now we need to add the fresh milk into our bowl, the sugar, and then our instant yeast. So i-mix nyo lang po and then let it set for 3 minutes para mag-activate yung yeast natin. After 3 minutes, we will add now our eggs, then our melted butter, then gradually add our all-purpose flour. For this recipe, you can also use bread flour. So, i-mix nyo lang po ng mabuti until it will form a dough. So, lastly, you need to add the iodized salt. So, na-form na po yung dough natin. Ngayon, make sure your hands are clean before we knead this one. So, I put a little bit of oil and then I will be kneading this one for 5 minutes. Just form it like a ball and then add some oil so that it will not stick on your bowl. So we need to cover this one for 1 hour until it will double the size. Meanwhile, we need to do our filling. So for the filling, we need 2/3 cup of brown sugar, then 1 tablespoon and a half of cinnamon, then just mix it well. Ito na po yung dough natin, nag-double na yung size. So now, we need a rolling pin and then a dash of flour. We need to flatten the dough. Now we can spread our 1/4 cup of softened butter. Spread it evenly. Sprinkle your cinnamon and brown sugar mixture evenly. Now we need to roll it up tightly. Ayan, na-roll up na po natin yung dough. So now we need to slice it slowly. Then for this recipe, I made around 14 cinnamon rolls. Ayan, nilagay ko na po yung cinnamon roll sa ating baking pan lined with parchment paper. So we need to let it set for another 30 minutes and make sure you preheated your oven at 220 degrees. We will be baking this one for 20 to 25 minutes. So while waiting for our cinnamon, we will be making our icing. So we need 1/4 cup of softened butter. Then we need 180 grams of cream cheese. So I am using the mixer, guys, but you can do it manually as you like. So from time to time, you need to scrape off the bottom of the pan. Then we will gradually add our 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Guys, sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe to our channel, Balong Andiana, para updated po kayo sa mga videos namin. The last ingredient is our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then it's ready. Ayan, luto na po yung cinnamon roll natin. So, ipa-rest nyo lang po ng mga 10 minutes para hindi masyadong mainit. So, then, add your icing on top and spread it evenly. You can also add walnuts on top or pecans as you like. Enjoy, guys! Thank you for watching!